New Orleans is a city rich in history, culture, and architectural beauty. Known for its iconic historic homes, which showcase the city's unique charm, these residences often feature stunning details, like intricate woodwork, ironwork balconies, and grand windows that have stood the test of time. While these historical features contribute to the allure and character of New Orleans neighborhoods, many historic homes are also in need of upgrades to meet modern living standards. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make to a historic home is to replace or upgrade the windows. Modern windows bring a host of benefits, from improved energy efficiency and enhanced security to better comfort and noise reduction. In this article, we'll explore how historic homes in New Orleans can benefit from modern window upgrades without compromising their unique charm. Enhanced energy efficiency. New Orleans is known for its hot, humid summers and mild winters. In a historic home, older windows, especially single-pane glass, can let heat and air escape, making it harder to maintain a comfortable temperature indoors. This not only leads to discomfort but also drives up energy bills, as your HVAC system works harder to regulate the temperature. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows in a historic home can make a significant difference in temperature regulation. Modern windows, particularly those with double or triple glazing and low-E coatings, provide superior insulation. These windows help keep your home cooler during the summer by reflecting heat away from your home and warmer in the winter by trapping heat inside. With modern window upgrades, you'll reduce your home's reliance on air conditioning and heating, ultimately saving money on energy bills while staying comfortable year-round. Improved comfort and draft reduction. Many historic homes in New Orleans are filled with charm and character but can sometimes suffer from drafts around old, deteriorating windows. This can lead to uneven indoor temperatures and make it difficult to achieve the comfort level you desire. By replacing old windows with modern weatherproofed options, such as those with double or triple glazed glass, you'll notice a reduction in drafts and air leaks. Modern windows are designed with better seals, which help eliminate unwanted gaps and prevent air from entering or escaping. This upgrade will create a more consistent and comfortable indoor environment, making your home more enjoyable to live in while preserving the warmth of its historical style. Increased noise reduction. Living in New Orleans means enjoying the vibrancy of city life, but it can also mean dealing with noise pollution from nearby traffic, streetcars, or festivals. For residents of historic homes, older windows with single panes of glass often let in a lot of sound, which can disrupt peace and quiet in your home. Modern soundproof windows are designed to reduce the amount of external noise that enters your home. They work by using multiple layers of glass and insulating gases between panes, which absorb sound and provide better noise reduction. If you live in a bustling area of New Orleans or simply want to block out the noise from the street, modern windows are a great solution to ensure a quieter, more peaceful living space. Preserving aesthetic appeal. One of the main concerns when upgrading windows in a historic home is maintaining the home's unique style and charm. Fortunately, modern windows come in a variety of styles and finishes that can blend seamlessly with the existing architecture of a historic home. Whether you prefer the classic look of wooden windows or the sleek appearance of vinyl or fiberglass, modern windows can be customized to match the aesthetic of your property. Additionally, replacement windows can be designed to mimic the look of older windows, ensuring that you preserve the character of your historic home while enjoying the benefits of modern performance. There are also options for custom-made windows that retain traditional features like grills, muntins, and arches to keep the original design intact. Enhanced security and safety. Many historic homes feature large, decorative windows that are charming but may lack the security features needed to protect your home from break-ins or intrusions. Older windows, especially those with single panes of glass, are more susceptible to breakage and are easier to bypass by intruders. Upgrading to impact-resistant windows or windows with modern multi-point locking systems enhances both the security and safety of your home. These windows are designed to withstand forceful impacts and are more resistant to breakage, providing an added layer of protection for your home and family. With enhanced security features, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your historic home is well protected. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Many historic homes have windows that require frequent upkeep, repainting, sealing, and replacing broken glass or damaged frames. Wood windows, in particular, can deteriorate over time due to exposure to the elements. This can be costly and time-consuming for homeowners. Modern windows, especially those made of fiberglass or vinyl, are designed to be low-maintenance and long-lasting. These materials are resistant to rotting, fading, and warping, so you won't need to worry about constant repairs. Modern windows are also designed to be more weather-resistant, which means you'll spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying your home. Boosted property value. Upgrading the windows in your historic home is an investment that can significantly increase its value. Energy-efficient windows, improved security, and better comfort are all appealing to potential buyers, especially if you decide to sell your home in the future. The curb appeal of your home will also benefit from the updated windows, which can make your property more attractive to buyers. When you invest in high-quality modern windows, you're not just improving your home's functionality, but also its long-term resale value. Conclusion. Upgrading the windows in your historic home in New Orleans is a smart decision that can enhance the comfort, energy efficiency, and security of your home while preserving its aesthetic charm. From improved insulation and noise reduction to increased property value and lower maintenance costs, modern window upgrades provide numerous benefits without compromising your home's historical integrity. If you're considering window upgrades, consult with a professional who specializes in historic homes to ensure that the new windows meet both your functional needs and aesthetic preferences. With the right windows, you can enjoy a more comfortable, secure, and beautiful home for years to come.